Guys, Shiba Inu is going to the moon. I told you guys, look at where it's at right now. This is crazy. Look at where it's at. I told you guys that this was going on. I told you guys, Shiba Inu army strong. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Miro back again with another video. Guys, I want to thank you so much for supporting this channel, for the love and support, for being a part of this community. It means the world to me. Every time you guys like or comment and subscribe, I appreciate it so much, and I promise to do my best every time you comment to do an actual reply and not an automated one. I'm actually communicating with you guys, so I will always promise to do my best on that. But guys, we did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. It's so exciting, and we're just gonna keep going higher, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. It means the world. I promise it does. So we got to do another giveaway. What we're gonna do is, now our new goal is 1,500 subscribers. Guys, we're getting so close already. We're already over 1,100, so I know we can hit it, and I'll do another $100 giveaway. So all you have to do to qualify is, number one, make sure that you're subscribed. Number two, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And number three, you guessed it, leave a comment down below, and here's the word that you gotta use: to the moon. You know why? Because we're going to the moon. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this channel, to watch these videos. Your love and support means the most. Shout out and let me know where you live, what country you're from, what state you're representing. Hey, keep it strong, keep it awesome. You guys are the best. Until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.